Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start now by powering off the Apple Watch and removing the band. This prevents short circuits and gives clear access. Once done, position the watch on a soft, static-safe mat and attach a small suction cup to lift the display edge. Use a thin plastic opening tool to separate adhesive. Work slowly to avoid tearing the digitizer. Make sure to keep screws organized and label connectors. You're preserving orientation so reassembly is fast and reliable, and to reduce the chance of damage. Once the display is hinged, disconnect the battery cable immediately to cut power. This prevents accidental shorts while you work on the logic board. Next, remove shielding screws and gently lift connectors with a spudger. Take photos as you go so you remember cable routing. If replacing the battery or screen, compare part numbers and test fit components before removing old adhesive. You'll want to clean any corrosion with isopropyl alcohol and a soft brush. This restores contacts and prevents future failures. Reassembly begins by applying fresh adhesive to the frame and carefully routing cables exactly as photographed. Reconnect the battery last. Once sealed, power on the watch and perform a full check. Touchscreen responsiveness, accelerometer, heart sensor, charging, Bluetooth, and Wi-Fi. If a function fails, power down and reseat the specific connector. Sometimes a single misaligned pin causes the issue. If problems continue, swap in a known good part or consult professional service. Keep a backup of your data to restore after repairs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.